and just to see the equipment in use, and for us to come and say, look, we're having a little bit of problem with this, can you help us with this, can you do that, face to face as well, rather than just over the telephone.
Can you firstly tell me about your relationship with Hexagon and how important collaboration and partnerships are?
So Hexagon are a technical partner of Bull Racing. We work very closely with them. They react to us. It's a very high pressure, high speed environment, and they react and support us accordingly with various different applications, from trackers to CMMs to portable arms, both with new technology and current technology.
It's great to look and see some of the latest technology available. How important is metrology within Formula One?
Oh, very, very important. Since the cost cap was introduced, we can't afford any waste. So waste is a loss of performance to us. So we need to be making it right first time, every time. So yeah, knowing that we are, and through metrology, is where we need to be.
So metrology effectively has become even more important than it's ever been before.
It's more value added now, yeah. Whereas before it was not really value added. It was seen as a source of evil almost, if you know what I mean.
No, absolutely. Now you mentioned you're using a multitude of products that are being exhibited today,
yeah,
at your facility. Can you tell us, or are you able to tell us, some of the applications that you're using some of the products for?
Yeah, so we've got across the two sites, we've got various CMMs. We've got some high accuracy CMMs in powertrains and the global CMMs on the chassis side. We've also got 3 trackers within the chassis group and 2 trackers at the track. So we can't set our car up without these trackers, and it's vital that we get the support from Hexagon, which we do, with any kind of breakdowns, wherever that may be in the world. It's 10 minutes lost there, we could be not entering qualifying or even the race. So yeah, vital that that continued support is there.
And with an industry like Formula One, where it's always at the cutting edge of technology, everything is evolving so fast. With some of the new products that are coming from Hexagon, they are offering an end-to-end solution, not just from inspection, from software too. How does this all interlink with what you do?
We're constantly in touch with Hexagon to make sure that we are at the cutting edge, and we're always pushing the envelope of what we can do and what we require from them. So yeah, we're constantly in contact, and even if we have a problem, we come to them first. This is the problem we got. Have you got a solution? Can you assist us? And yeah, basically that partnership and growing trust in each other is there. Yeah.
And with events such as this, from an educational perspective, how important are they?
Really good. Just to keep them bonds together as well, and to see the equipment in use, and for us to come and say, look, we're having a little bit of problem with this, can you help us with this, can you do that, face to face as well, rather than just over the telephone.